Welcome back. In the last lesson, we talked about these prepositions. Now we are going to put them in practice. Let's have a look. Fool. In most languages, the word fool is the same for any of these three actions. In English, 1, 2 and 3 are fool, but with a different preposition. This is important and it shows you how English works and how flexible and how useful phrasal verbs are. Let's have a little look. And again, I would like you to stop the video and to think in each of these three cases which preposition you would choose. Each preposition will be different. Have a look, stop the video, and now I will tell you the answer. Are you ready? Okay, let's look at the arrows. It's very important to think of these, when thinking of these phrasal verbs, to think of the movements in arrows. Okay, so number one, let's go with number one. The movement is this. Again, this is not important. I use this to give you an example of what is happening. But whether or not there is an object is not important. The answer is over. The man is falling over. Good. Number two. What is the answer to number two? Well, you may be tempted to say fall down. This would be a lot of what many of you are thinking. But it's not really correct, because maybe we should look at the opposite. The man was on a ladder. He was on. And the opposite of on is off. The answer to number two, the man has fallen off the ladder. Let's go with number three. Number three is what you have thought. You see somebody falling. You do not see them falling from something. They have not. You don't see that they have fallen off something. They are falling down. Okay? It is possible, if for the sake of example, you could say that they have fallen out of a plane. This is also possible. But if you see no object, you would say that the person is falling down. So why is this important? If you are talking in a conversation and you are talking about a person, let's call him David, and you are saying that this person was walking along the street and he fell over, the reaction of the other person will probably be that this is a funny situation. It's a situation to laugh about. This person fell over. If you say that somebody fell off something, maybe the reaction would be a bit worried. Is this person okay? Did they hurt themselves? Finally, if you said that this person fell down, they were walking along a street and they fell down, this sounds very serious. Maybe, why did they suddenly fall down abruptly? Maybe heart problems, maybe they fainted. So we can see that the preposition changes the meaning of the verb and how the other person reacts to that. We're going to go on in the next chapter to another example, the example of turn. I will see you then.